Hi children, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of your 10th standard CBSE or NCERT syllabus construction chapter. So your children, in this chapter we are going to have exercise 6.1. Already in our last session we have completed 3 problems. Now in this session we are going to start with the 4th problem. What is your 4th problem here? Construct an isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles, children? Any two sides are equal. Isosceles, if two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. So now isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude 4 centimeters, and then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So look here, how to do this, children? We need to draw an isosceles triangle. What did they give here? They have given base. What is the base here? 8 centimeters. And here they have given an altitude. Altitude from vertex, it will be perpendicular. What is the height of the altitude here? 4 centimeter. So look here, I need to draw a vertex. What altitude? Perpendicular. How can I draw perpendicular here? So for that reason, take your skyver. More than half. Okay, more than half. Above an arc, below an arc. From here, cut the arc and draw the perpendicular bisector. Now next thing, what you need to do? What is the height of altitude, children? This bisector dividing a line segment into half. Okay, altitude length given is 4 centimeters. Put the point here. Okay, from here to 4 centimeters, cut the arc. From this point, you join. Okay, this will be 4 centimeters, children. Height of altitude is 4 centimeters. Now what you need to do? You need to draw a similar triangle which is in the ratio 1.5. What is 1.5 here? That is a mixed fraction, right? Convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. How will you convert, children, here? 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2. Okay, in that ratio, you need to draw another similar triangle for this. Again, what are the steps? Do you remember? Draw a ray which is acute. So, let me mark here A, B, C. So, 3 by 2. Which is greater here? 3. So, that many arcs I am going to draw. So, 1, 2, 3. Not freehand drawing. With this, you need to draw. So, now, A1, A2, A3. Denominator, what you have, children? 2. From 2 point to join. Okay. So, now, your new triangle will be exterior. Okay. So, your new triangle is exterior, children. By observing one arc is outside this. So, now what you are going to do? Extend the dotted lines. Then now, arc and this arc, measure, cut, join. Then again, arc, measure, cut, join. This is your new triangle which is similar. Children, why we are saying here similar? How are we saying similarity? There are rules. We are drawing a corresponding angles. If these two angles are corresponding, and what we can say, these two lines will be parallel. If the two lines are corresponding, then those two lines will be parallel. So if the corresponding angles are equal and the ratios of these sides will be in proportion, therefore the formed new triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay, let's start our original triangle here, children. So how do we start here, children? I've said for you know little changes in our measurement here. So now, first let us write here solution. What is given? AB is equal to 8 centimeters. You have to draw a similar triangle in the ratio 3:2. So now what you are going to do here? Draw a line segment. This is 8 centimeters, children. Draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters. Now what you do is very important. Altitude. How to do altitude? First we need to draw a bisector. Perpendicular bisector. More than half. Okay. So above, below. Now again from this point. So here what I do, little I'll extend. So I too will extend this side. Then now what happens with same measurement? Cut these two. Okay. Now what happens? You are going to get a perpendicular bisector which divides a line exactly half. So here this is a perpendicular bisector, children. So this is not altitude again. Okay, the given measurement 4 centimeters is not this. This is the bisector. Then what is the height of altitude given here? 4 centimeters. So now measure 4 centimeters here, children. Okay. So now from this as a center. So look here, where is this 4? Can you see? Can you see the arc here? Yes. From there, that point, not this point. See here carefully. From that point to here, join. And again, from this point to here, join. Okay. Now, mark the letters here, children. A, C, and this is B. Okay, for this triangle, we need to draw the similar triangle which is in the ratio 3:2. What is your next step? Draw an arc which is acute. Draw a ray, Draw a ray which is acute. So draw a ray AX. So now look here, children, which is the greatest number here? 3/2. 3 is greater, right? So how many arcs we need to do here? 3 arcs. So now with some measurement you take here. Only 3, no, little big I'll take. 1, 2, you should not move this. 3. So mark this as A1, A2, A3. Okay. Now what you need to do here, children? Denominator, what you have? 2. From A2. Where is A2 here? If you want, you can erase this bisector after doing that. From A2, join. Now again, same manner. Do you remember what we have seen yesterday last class? So what is that? From here, draw an arc. Again from A3, draw an arc. Then now measure from this end to this end, and then cut the arc. Again change, children. So it is little extra, right? Okay. Now when you want to draw or join here, you need a line, right? So for that purpose, what I need to do here? I will go with another dotted line here. Okay. So this is a dotted line, and again this is a dotted line I'm going to do. So now what you are going to do? Take a scale and try to join these 2 points. Okay, when you join, these 2 lines will be parallel. When I have drawn a corresponding angle, then the lines will be parallel. Okay. Now again, so here from B point, what do you need to do, children? Here, draw an arc. Again from this point, touching point, draw an arc. Now go back, measure, cut. Okay. So now from this point to, so take a scale and do neatly. So look here, it should be straight line, and this is B dash, C dash. So look here, children, then again these 2 angles are corresponding, these 2 lines will be parallel. Therefore, what you can say? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AC dash B dash. This is your final answer. And steps are not so necessary. If they ask, you can follow the steps how you have constructed this. Right? So once again, I repeat here how to do this. Draw a line segment with A and B as a point. Draw the bisector and altitude measurement. Cut the arc. Join and draw a ray which is acute, which is high. What is a number greater? That many arcs from the denominator number to join B. Okay. Then again, what you are going to do? Extend the line. Draw the corresponding angles. These corresponding angles make these two lines parallel. Then the so formed triangle is a similar triangle. Fifth problem. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3:4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Look here children, first thing what you need to observe here, triangle what they have given two sides and one angle given. So now with that measurements we are going to draw a triangle. Afterwards, with the given ratio, we are going to draw a similar triangle. See the ratio, observe here. Is it proper or improper fraction? Yes, it is a proper fraction. So if it is proper, your new triangle will be inside the original triangle. Okay, that much you should able to understand by seeing the problem. So look here children, let me draw a rough figure for you. B, angle B should be in the base. So, such that I'll take BC. Line segment BC of length 6 centimeters. Okay. From B, make an angle 60 degree using protractor. Okay. Then now, so what is AB measurement here? 5 centimeters. From B as a center, 5 centimeters, draw an arc. Then join. Okay, this is how much here? 5 centimeters. Okay, this is the way we construct the triangle. Then next, draw a ray which is acute BX. Then observe here which is greater, 4 is greater. So that many arcs you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mark it as B1, B2, B3, B4. Then now what's the denominator? With that number to the C point join. The next step. What is your numerator children? 3. At B3. So what I need to do? Draw an arc, measure, cut, join. Then again arc. From this point arc, measure, cut, join. This is your similar triangle. This is the way we do your construction here children. See here, rough figure may not be needed in your examination, but you should be clear what am I doing now. You should be clear. Okay, so for that if you do rough figure now, your original figure will be perfect. You don't do any mistake, no need of erasing anything. Okay, let's start here children. So what's your given data here? Given. So let's take that. BC is equal to 6 centimeters. AB is equal to 5 centimeters. And these two included angle, these two sides included angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now let's start our construction children. Okay, see here again and again I am repeating, original scale it will be difficult on board. Okay, you do with the original measurements. I am doing approximate, right? So now here BC 6 centimeters. See, this is B and this is C of length 6 centimeters. Now, from B as a point, take protractor. Look here, observe here carefully. B as a point, 60. Look here, how do you observe here? See, without this also we can do 60-degree angle, children. Any way, which way you are comfortable, you can go with this. From here, 0 to I have to start saying. Here, this is 60. So, I mark a point here. And then, I try to join these. Okay. So, now, what is this measurement here? 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, take a scale, measure 5 centimeter. Okay, from B as a center, 5 centimeters, cut the line. Cut the line with an arc. So now this will be 5 centimeters. Now join these two. And this point is A. So your triangle is completed. Construction of a triangle is completed. What is your second step here, children? Draw a ray which is acute. Draw a ray BX. So draw a ray BX which is acute. So now, how many arcs I need to draw here? What is your ratio here, children? Observe the ratio here. 3:4. So, which is greater? 4 is greater. So, I'll take 4 arcs. 1. Same measurement. You should not disturb. 2, 3, and then 4. And which letter you are following here? B, right? B1, B2, B3, B4. What is your denominator here? From that point to join C. 4, right? From B4 I need to join here. Next step, what is your numerator? 3. From 3 you need to draw an arc. Same step, this procedure is important and same manner we will do for all. So now again from B point, look here carefully. Okay, then again from 3 point. Okay, now measure this and then cut an arc. So again extend this. Now what we are going to do here? Join these 2 points. Okay, we are going to join exactly at the center. Now this is the point where we need to construct the similar triangle. Again from here draw an arc. Again same point here, draw an arc. And your measurement should be always, you should take a measurement by moving this. Okay, so like this, measure. After measuring, you have to cut the arc. Now, from this intersecting point, try to join. Okay, and mark this as A dash, this as C dash. So, finally, what you are going to say, children? The triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Observe here, A dash, B, C dash. A dash, B, C dash is a similar triangle which is drawn in the ratio 3:4. Sixth problem, children, here. Draw a triangle ABC whose side BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree and angle A is equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So here first let's draw the rough figure here. So let me draw a line. What is the line given here? BC is how much? 7 centimeters base. From B as a point, 45-degree angle. Okay. Now A as a point, 105-degree. Oh, what is this? How can I do this, children? So this is 45, but somewhere here 105. How do I get that 105? But you remember one thing. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. Right? So now add these of 105 plus 45. It will be how much here? 150. 150 degree. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is how much, children? 180, right? 180 minus 150 will be how much? 30 degree. So then this C should be 30 degree. Now with 30 degree as an angle, draw a line. It intersects some point that exactly it will be 105 degree. So like this we need to draw a triangle. After drawing a triangle, same process, no need of repeating again and again. Draw a ray which is acute, and then observe the ratio which is the greatest number here, 4 arcs you do, and what is the denominator? 3 from 3 point. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and then from 3 point join, extend dotted lines. Okay, like this you are going to get your figure. So it is an improper fraction. Your new triangle what you draw will be exterior to the original triangle. Now let's start our construction here. So solution. What is the solution? How do we start here? With a given data, children. Always every problem we start with a given data. Given BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105 degree, right? Okay, we know the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. If you add these two triangles, it will be 150. 180 minus 150 will be 30 degree. So now what am I going to do now? First, children, here, look here. What is your base? 7 centimeters. Okay, this is 7 centimeters, children. Draw a line segment and mark it as BC. Okay, now take your protractor. Okay, so from B as a point, how much you have to take here, children? See here carefully. From 0, 45 degree. 45 degree means here you are going to get, right? So now, then again this side also you do, then you can join at a time. Then from here, look here, when you are seeing, from this side you need to see 30. 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so now try to extend these, children, here. In order to join, after joining, I am going to extend the line. Then these two join. Yes. Okay, now mark the angle here. This is 45 degree and this will be 30 degree. And now this one will be 105 degree. Mark this as A. What's your next step here? Draw a ray which is acute. Draw a ray which is acute. So next, what is the ratio here, children? 4:3. Which is the greatest number? 4. So that many arcs. 1, okay, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are going to mark here B1, B2, B3, B4. Now next step, what is your next step? Observe the denominator, what you have? 3, children. From 3 to join. From 3 to, so From 3, where is B3? This is B3 to the another end point. So now, what you can guess here? Yes, this point should be exterior of this triangle. So take a scale and do a dotted line here. Using scale you need to do, children. Not with a free hand, right? So now, what am I going to do now? So observe here carefully. Take some measurement. And always you should hold here to get exact, but some conditions cannot be applied on both, children. Little difficult. Okay. Now measure this. Okay. Right. Now join. Try to join here. So, okay. So now again same pattern. There is no change. So do an arc. Then again from this point do an arc. Same way you should do, children. Okay. Now measure this. Now measure this and cut this. Sorry. Okay. So like this you are going to get. Then afterwards join these 2 points. So like this you are going to get here. Like this you are going to get, children. Observe here whether your figure is right or wrong. See here, these 2 lines will be parallel and these 2 lines will be parallel. If you get parallel, see here little it's not parallel, but actually if you do in your fair notes it will come parallel. If it is not parallel, you might have done somewhere mistake. Okay, observe carefully, children. So finally what you are going to write? Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Where is your new triangle here, children? This is C, right? And this will be A dash and this will be C dash. That is A dash B C dash is a new triangle which is similar to the original triangle. 7th problem here. Draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse. Children, what is right triangle? One angle is 90 degrees. Right triangle is nothing but right angled triangle. Here, the sides are of lengths given. Which are the sides they are expressing here? They said that other than hypotenuse. A right angle, which side we call it as a hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to the right angle, that side we call it as a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side in that triangle. The sides are of lengths 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So here first let's see the rough figure here, children. How to do here? 2 sides they have given. What are the 2 sides here? 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay. So let me take a base 4 centimeters. Okay. Now perpendicular I have to draw right angle. How do you do? So from one point draw an arc, cut the arc, again from here cut the arc, then again bisect. Do you know this? You know already, you have done. This is the way we do for perpendicular. Then extend the line. The next step, what is another side length? It is 3 centimeters. So from here 3 centimeters, cut the arc. So now join A, B, C. Let's take it as ABC. So now we need to draw a similar triangle for this right triangle. Right angled. This is 90 degree. Okay. So for this triangle, you have to draw one more similar triangle of ratio 5:3. So 5 by 3. Which type of a fraction it is? It is a improper fraction. Improper means what do you get, children, here? Your new triangle will be exterior to this triangle. So what are the steps? Same steps. There is no change. This is the last problem of this exercise. First, draw the triangle according to the given measurement. Second step, draw a ray which is acute. So now which is greater? 5 and 3. 5 is greater. So that many arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arcs. Follow with B. B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay. Now what the denominator you have here? 3. From 3, B3 to join. Now you can say that it is exterior. Extend your line here. So now again arc, measure, cut, extend. Then again arc, measure, cut, extend. So this is the new triangle. What is the new triangle here? A dash, B, C dash is a required similar triangle in the ratio 5:3. Okay, children, let's start the original triangle. Take a scale, everybody. And now, what is the base length here? 4 centimeter. Look here. Let me draw here. This is 4 centimeter. So, what is the letter we are going to mark here? B, C. This is a line segment. Okay. Now, I need to draw perpendicular. How will you draw here, children? So, from B point. So, here which point here? From B point. Draw an arc. Okay. Then again, cut the arc. 60. This will be 120. Now, in this middle means 60 plus 30, it will be 90 you are going to get. Okay. Now, yes, take a scale and draw the perpendicular by joining these 2 points. Okay. So, now, what's your next step, children? B to A. What is the measurement there? 3 centimeters. Look here, 3 centimeters. I'm going to draw an arc here. So here, this is your 3 centimeters. I've drawn an arc. Now, from here to here, join. Join AC. Now look here, observe here, children. This is perpendicular 90 degree. AC is the hypotenuse. They gave 2 sides length which are other than hypotenuse. That is BC is equal to 4 and AB is equal to 3 centimeters. Now what's your next step here? Draw a ray which is acute. Draw a ray which is acute. Ray BX is the ray. So now what is your ratio here, children? 5 by 3. So here given data and all you know you can write, right? So given BC is equal to 4 centimeters, AB equal to 3 centimeters and this angle is 90 degree. You write in your given data. Now this 5:3 ratio, I have to draw a similar triangle for this. Which is greater? 5, right? So take your skyver and mark with equal measurements 5 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now write this. B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Now where to join the C, children, here? Denominator, what you have? 3. So from B3 join. Okay. Now next step is, which is very important step. So what is that? Arc. Then again from B5, arc. Now see, I'm moving, I'm measuring this, right? So from here to here, I'm not measuring from B3. Measure and then again cut that. Now, in order to join these two, I need to extend that line, right? What the scale neatly you do, children, here. So now, okay, this is the way we get. Now, this is the important point to draw your triangle. So now again from C point, see carefully, draw an arc, and this point, draw an arc. Then now, move your skyward, and then measure from here, cut, okay. Now, in order to join these two, so look here, observe here, children. It is little difficult to draw on board this one. So this one will be C dash, this one will be A dash. So finally what you can say? Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash, B, C dash. The similar triangle is in the ratio 5:3. See here, children. Look here carefully. This is the way we construct similar triangles or a line segment dividing internally. See here, nowhere I did not write anyway steps. But if asked how to write steps, how we have done our construction, in that manner we are going to write the steps. Okay. With this, by seeing a ratio, you can able to identify whether the new triangle is internal or external. Suppose if you need to check your construction is right or wrong, how can you check? See here, observe carefully. These two lines, if they are parallel, your problem is correct. Not only these two also, children, if they are parallel. Do you know the meaning of parallel? They never intersect. Suppose like this there. So what happens when I move this finger, it touches at this point. So when they are parallel, you think that your problem is correct. Okay, children, with this we are going to end our exercise. With the next session, we are going to start with your next exercise. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.